Are you looking for profitable business ideas in the education sector? Look no further. The education industry offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to make a meaningful impact while also turning a profit. Here are some business ideas that are currently thriving in the education sector. Online tutoring services. With the increasing demand for personalized and convenient learning experiences, online tutoring services have become extremely popular, whether it's academic subjects, test preparation, or skill development. There is a growing market for online tutoring services. Educational content creation. As the demand for digital learning resources continues to rise, there is a need for high-quality educational content, whether it's creating ebooks, online courses, instructional videos, or educational apps. There is a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs to create and sell educational content. STEM education workshops. With the emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education, there is a growing demand for workshops and programs that focus on these subjects. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by offering STEM education workshops for students of all ages. Language learning programs. As the world becomes more interconnected, there is a growing demand for language learning programs. Whether it's offering in-person classes, online courses, or language immersion programs, there is a profitable opportunity for entrepreneurs in the language education sector. Educational franchises. Investing in an educational franchise can be a lucrative business idea in the education sector. Whether it's a tutoring center, daycare, or after-school enrichment program, educational franchises offer a proven business model and brand recognition. Educational consulting services. Entrepreneurs with expertise in education can offer their services as educational consultants.
Whether it's helping schools with
Curriculum development,
conducting teacher training workshops, or providing educational technology consulting.
there is a growing demand for educational consulting services. These are just a few examples of profitable business ideas in the education sector. With the right combination of passion, expertise, and business acumen, entrepreneurs can find success while making a positive impact in the field of education. Whether it's leveraging technology, meeting the demand for specialized education,
Or providing valuable services.
to educational institutions, there are countless opportunities for entrepreneurs to thrive in the education sector. If you're looking to start a business that makes a difference and generates a profit, the education sector is ripe with potential.